Hello, Jonathan here with Milton Industries. Today I'm here to introduce to you the 171-NF01 Hydro and Air Power Wand Tool. This new product is a game changer for Milton Industries and our cleaning wand family of products. The 171-NF01 is a 2-in-1 high-pressure air cleaning wand with the ability to also connect to a water hose, giving you more cleaning power than ever before. We all know that repairs of heavy equipment can be costly when overheating occurs, which is why the 171-NF01 was designed for use with large trucks, farm and agricultural equipment, HVAC units, and more to help you regularly maintain your application while saving money in the long run. This one was built for the toughest of jobs when you need it the most, and I can't wait to show you more about it. When you first receive the 171-NF01 Power Wand Tool, you'll notice that it comes packaged in a retail-friendly packaging that can be used on a store or tool truck display and comes ready for use with water. By adding the adapters, it will plug into your M-style air coupler. Once you remove the blow tool, you'll see the industrial tube is 18 inches in length and has specially engineered 10-port openings at the tip, which focuses air or water exactly where you need it to in order to increase pressure and maximize cleaning power. The maximum rated air output is over 28 SCFM and 40 to 60 psi for water. The handle comes with a comfortable pistol grip that is lightweight and allows for precise output control while reducing hand fatigue. You'll also notice the control knob, which allows you to adjust the flow of both air and water, giving you the most control possible. Included in the package is also an M-style male air coupler and a brass GHT adapter. This will allow you to easily connect and disconnect your air supply, but also allow you to easily unthread the adapters to allow a standard size garden hose to connect to your 171-NF01 cleaning tool. Before you begin using the new 171-NF01 cleaning wand, let's cover a few important items. First, connect the air coupler by threading it into the base of the body. Second, always wear proper eye protection to avoid getting any dirt and debris into your eyes. Third, wear a mask designed for filtering out dirt and dust particles. And last, make sure that your air compressor is on and then push the trigger to begin cleaning. For water cleaning, be sure to unthread the brass plug from the base, connect your water hose to the base of the wand, and then squeeze the trigger to begin cleaning. Again, when using either water or air, don't forget that you can control the flow by using the control knob on the wand handle. As you can see, the 171-NF01 Hydro and Air Power Wand Tool for Milton Industries has an easy-to-use 2-in-1 functionality and is designed to achieve the most cleaning power and will help you get even more longevity out of your equipment. The 171-NF01 is backed by Milton's 1-year warranty. To learn more about this product and more products from Milton Industries, please visit our website at www.miltonindustries.com. Again, I'm Jonathan with Milton Industries. Thank you for watching.